So we are now in the part of presentation. Actually, just now I'm asking the students to draw the astronaut costume. I mean the people using the astronaut's costume. And I can say that all of the results are very good. And we are now in the second session. I'm going to give them a little bit knowledge how to draw the basic animation using flipanime.com. Okay, now we still are in the presentations moment. Ready? Alright, Kaira dan Kanza wait ya. Ares and Vio, come on, this is your turn. Go. Ayo Ares dulu.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, go.
First, I draw a person with three person with astronaut suit, and I draw one person hanging Indonesian flag, and then I draw a moon in their foot, and then I draw an earth behind them, and I draw Saturn, and I draw UFO, and I drawing many stars to decorate.
Goody! I love
Do
it.
you have any question for Ares?
How can you draw that?
I don't know, I just drawing.
Oh, what grade are you now? Ares?
Sixth grade. Sixth grade.
Naik kelas 6 atau naik kelas 1 SMP?
Naik SMP.
Ah, keren banget. Pantesan Ares jago banget gambarnya. Ares keren banget ya. Jangan berhenti menggambar. Kamu udah keren banget. Kamu bisa jadi animator.
Okay, Mr. Al.
Yeah. Now I need your brothers to present their work. Kesempatan oh, yeay. Thank you Ares. Keren banget. Pantesan kelas 6. Jago. Thank you. Ayo Vio, bisa.
Pertama saya menggambar seperti ini untuk wajahnya. Setelah itu saya membuat helm bagian sini. Setelah aku menggambar orang-orang ini, aku menggambar bulan dan bumi. Setelah itu saya menghias-hias di bulan dengan batu-batu yang ada di sekitar dan bolongan sini. Setelah itu saya menggambar seperti hiasan. Aku menggambar jet, ini UFO dan bintang-bintang, dan ini untuk pengetahuan di bumi.
Ya.
Sudah.
Keren banget, Vio. Gambarnya sama kayak Kakak Ares. Gambarnya keren banget. Dua-duanya kalau lomba kalian bisa dapat juara kalau misalnya jadi jurinya. Karena gambarnya keren banget. Ya, Tipanka semua keren. Sekarang Kaira sama Kanza. Setelah ini kita akan belajar basic animasi ya. Wait, Kaira, Kanza, dan Elbrus. 3 lagi. Sekarang Kaira dulu sama Kanza. Kaira silakan. Ayo, presentasi dulu Kaira. Halo, nama aku Kaira. Ini gambarku gitu. Ayo, siap 1, 2, 3.
Kaira, this is my drawing. First, I draw the face, the people, and then I draw the helmet. I draw the neck and body, and the leg.
Wow.
And then I draw the moon, the shoes, and I draw the face, then I draw the planet, the Earth, and the star for decorate the drawing.
Okay, thank you, Kyra. Thank you so much. Your drawing are very good. And you know what? Your English is also stunning. Also, well done.
Your drawing is more better
Can you
than
see that?
mine.
Can you hear that? Kyra are very good in presenting her work. Now it's time for Kansa. Kansa, right? Your name?
My name is Kanza.
Oh,
This
yeah.
is
All
my
right.
drawing. First, I draw the people,
Mhm.
and I draw the moon, and I draw a planet, and I draw the star and the rocket.
Okay. What else? How about the stars? You draw the star also at the back? All right. Is it hard for you to draw like that, Kanza? Hard? Okay. Yeah.
Oh
You
no.
practice. Yeah.
Nah.
Kanza and Kyra, you have doing so good. You are doing great job. Okay, I give you 2 thumbs up plus 2 thumbs up from the Tanka. You get 4 thumbs up, guys. Very good. And don't be shy, yeah.
Thank
Better you
you.
be confident and don't be shy. We are all learning together here. Now, the last but not the least, we have our brothers from Serbia, I think. Yeah. Come on,
Yeah.
Albert. It's time for you to present your work. Albert is came from Serbia, guys. Come on, Elbrus. Halo, namaku Elbrus, and this one is my drawing. Ready? Elbrus? Guys, Elbrus are still like 3 or 4 years old, and maybe he's a bit hard to. Okay, come on, Elbrus. Halo, namaku Elbrus. Ini gambarku, gitu.
Ini gambar
Wah, Elbrus gambar apa itu?
orang.
Gambar orang. Mana matanya?
Ini matanya.
Oh iya, mulutnya yang mana?
Happy.
Oke. Susah nggak gambar orang?
Enggak.
Susah. Oke deh, selamat menggambar lagi, Elbrus. Tetap berlatih. Oke guys, now we're going to learn about flip anim ya. Are you ready now? If you're ready, give me your thumbs, please. Okay, now we're going to learn about animation. All right, I'm going to show you this slide, yeah. First of all, you have to go to flipanim.com. This one. This is the software that we're going to use. Oke, klik dulu di di laptop kalian. Flipanim, FLIPANIM.com. Okay. Try to click flipanim.com first. Ares and Theo, we're going to learn about basic animation now. You can start to go to your browser and type flipanim.com. Don't worry, this site is quite safe for the kids. I also taught these things to my students in my school, and this is fun. Are you ready, Kyra? Ada masalah nggak? Susah nggak? Nggak ada ya? Oke, good. Kyra boleh coba. Ini boleh ganti-gantian sama kakaknya, Kyra atau Kanza. Ya, Niko bisa klik. Bisa klik ini, flipanim.com. Hurufnya adalah ya, F, L, I, E, A, N, flipanim.com. INN. anim.com. Ready? Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to draw it, yeah? This is the trash sign. Means that if you don't like your drawing, you can just click the trash. It will be yeah, blank again. And this one is a plus sign. Then yeah, we can start to draw now. You can follow me, please, guys. Can you draw the stars on this side, please? Gambar star dulu dong di pinggir sini di pojok atas kiri. Ya, ini gampang banget caranya. Niko bisa? If you guys have any question, just raise your hand and I'm going to listen up to what your concern.
Gambarnya di mana?
Gambarnya di sini keluar nggak? Ininya begini, flipanim.com nanti akan keluar seperti ini.
Ini kan? Ini udah terus?
Nah, sekarang kita gambar bintang di sebelah kiri, ya. Kita ulang lagi deh. Bisa gambar bintang di sini. Sudah? Oke, kalau belum, silakan. Elbrus belum bisa ya, masih kecil ya, nggak apa-apa. Mungkin papinya mau bantu. Oke, next. Kalau sudah gambar bintang, klik tombol plus ya, klik the plus sign. It will be like this, and the star will be a little bit more, yeah, transparent. And I will draw another stars here.
Tutup dulu deh.
Okay, after I draw the stars here, I'm going to click the plus button again one more time. And I'm going to draw the star again, goes down. And I'm going to click the plus button again. I'm going to click another stars at the bottom. It will be like this. I'm going to play it for you. Ready? 1, 2, go. So the star will be goes down like that. You get it? Arya sama Via udah coba belum? Susah ya? Okay, everything's so hard, so we can just continue drawing again then. Yeah. How is it? Very smooth. So this one is, if we click this button again, it will be stop, and then we can draw another one by clicking the plus stop again, and then draw another star. Click the button. This. Click it again.
Share screen ya?
Share screen.
Ini share screen.
Okay, this animation software actually really helpful. I found this one is really helpful because many kids will try to practice a lot in drawing something, and there will be a little bit understand about the basic animation, how does it work, and then yeah, I'm going to play it again one more time. You see that the stars now moving the direction that you create your own.
Ini dikit bisa.
Is it hard for you to draw like that? All right, I think that this one is a little bit more hard for us to learn. Maybe we can just go back to the basics skill again, which is drawing the people in action. But I'm trying to give you a little bit bonus, like drawing step by step.
Oh, Pokemon.
Alright. Ya, tadi kita udah belajar gambar orang dan sudah presentasi.
Aku pernah.
Sebetulnya ini hanya tambahan. Kita bisa nanti mulai lagi belajar lagi setiap hari Rabu dan Jumat. Actually, we have a class on Wednesday and Friday at 2 p.m. Video Pikachu. Yuk, kita mau coba lagi. Oh iya. This one.
Di sini gambarnya di sini.
Iya, hilang.
Alright guys, gimana hari ini? Mau belajar lagi atau selesai? Ares dan Vio?
Belajar lagi.
Mau belajar gambar Pikachu?
Ya.
Oke. Kaira, nggak mau belajar Pikachu?
Aku mau coba lagi.
Okay, how yeah then? Actually, our main lesson is already done like this. Sebetulnya sudah selesai. Ini hanya bonus aja. Yuk kita gambar Pikachu ya. Kalau Kaira dan Kanza nggak mau nggak apa-apa. Kalian boleh gambar bebas. Ya gambar.
Portrait.
Ya.
Gambar Pikachu.
Yuk kita coba ya. Ready? 1, 2, go.
Itu.
Ya, saya
Ya.
Apa? Gambar yang lain nggak? Terus jadi cuma ngeliatin.
Go to circle first.
Udah. Apa di kertas?
Ya iyalah.
Then go to stop it.
Apa kemana?
Okay, pause first.
Ini dari sini.
Ya, kita akan gambar.
Bisa. Enggak. Ini masih bisa. Tuh kan. Kok langsung udah jadi.
Gambar 2020. Try to draw a small circle on inside the big circle. That. Forget to color the inner circle with the black. Draw small triangles on this part. Like that. Hi Ruth, are you ready? Mana Ruth ya? Okay, yeah, next will be. Draw the mouth like that. Going to mute first. I mean not mute, pause first.
How?
Yeah. And then you're going to start it again. Okay, let's go to the tongue. To the tongue. Oh, the mouth, yes. Sorry, this one is not the tongue. I think this one is the mouth. Okay, draw another line like this. I draw the line in the middle of the eyes like that. It's like a dolphin, I think. Yeah, okay. So draw like that first.
Terlalu gendut.
Okay, next will be draw this one first. I think we're going to put this for the
Ya.
okay. Now the Pikachu looks like a dolphin for me. Okay, we have to connect this one. This. And try. Oh, okay. Now we are drawing the what? This one, the ear.
It is so long. Of course, yes.
Okay, so another thing.
Same.
Okay, draw the line with that. Draw this line on the ear. Right.
Oh, yeah.
Chubby.
Yeah.
Oh, start to color this one with black. Post first the video, then we can add this start with oh my goodness, this one is so adorable. We draw the okay, draw like that first. This one is the body of the
Mine is too chubby.
Oh, salah posisinya, harusnya anu ya, berarti ya.
Yeah, this one is a boredom activity. It means that it's just only like additional lesson. The main lesson is already done by us, and then this one is just only like a bonus. We're just not wasting our time. Okay. Gambar kakinya sekarang. Draw the legs. Yes, the legs has 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. next.
Tail.
Okay, draw the triangle on this part. The triangle on this part, please. Up again. Whoa. One line again here, please. Facing outside the face. Oh, another line. Touching the ear.
No, follow him.
That. Oh, another line here. Maybe. All right, we're going to draw a little bit line on this part, and we're going to connect this things. Connect the line, and I think this one is becoming the
Tail.
tail
It is
of
the
this.
tail.
Yeah. You're almost done. Come on, don't give up. All right, draw the circle line on this part. Oh, we have another two.
Okay, you didn't know.
I don't really know. Okay, draw the line facing. Yeah, sit down against the floor like that. All right, connect this part. Connect the bottom side of Pikachu's body.
The bottom side. Yeah. The bottom. No, this one.
Oh yeah, we draw another line on this part. Yeah. Draw the finger, yeah?
3 fingers.
Yeah. One, two. Done. Yay! I think we are now done. We draw the 3 fingers on this part. Your drawing are not really similar with the example that we saw. It's okay. This is part of our learning. Even Mr. Al is also not very good. This one is more good, but Mr. Al's drawing are not really nice.
I
But
have to draw one more Pikachu.
it doesn't matter, okay? It doesn't matter that the drawing are good or not. Okay, I'm going to check one by one first. This is the end of our part today. If you want to color it, you can color it now with yellow, I think. Okay, this is yes. Right. I'm going to check one by one first. Okay, go to the Ayo, lihat dulu satu-satu ya. Gimana, Ruth? Can I see your drawing, Ruth?
Wait, I'm not done yet.
You have done. Come on, show it up.
Come on, share it. Do you have any question for Ruth? Wow, that's cute, Ruth. Now you know how to draw Pikachu, right? Is it hard for you to draw the Pikachu?
Is it hard to draw the Pikachu?
Do it.
Okay, thank you, Ruth. Thank you so much. You have doing a very good job. Now, Nico. Mr. A mau lihat dong Niko sebentar gambarnya, boleh nggak? Wow, keren banget Niko. Ya nggak apa-apa, agak sedikit chubby besar tapi nggak apa-apa. Niko sekarang udah tahu caranya ya. Oke, thank you so much Niko. Elbrus, mana gambarnya? Lihat dong. Boleh nggak sharing? Jadi kakaknya bisa belajar di sini.
Itu masih bisa. Jangan dibuangin. Lanjutin.
Wow, cool. Elbrus gambar apa? Bagus banget gambarnya Elbrus, gambar orang sama gambar. Oh iya, ini Elbrus masih kelas orang ya. Bagus banget Elbrus. Bagus, keren banget. Misal kasih 2 jempol buat Elbrus. Keep on drawing Elbrus. Sekarang Devanka, ini Devanka gambarnya.
Balik.
Sorry. Terbalik. Ya, nice. Thank you. And Ares sama Vio udah selesai?
Vio is not done.
Oke, nah Ares aja. Ares, are you done?
Yes, I'm done.
Wow, Ares keren banget. Mirip kan? Bener. Yeah, because now grade 6, I think your logical thinking are already better and better. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you have your nice drawings. Thank you banget, Ares and Vio. Vio, are you done?
No.
Nggak apa-apa kalau nggak belum. Oke, kita akan ketemu lagi besok ya, hari Jumat ya. Lusa hari Jumat jam 2 seperti biasa. Kita akan menggambar lagi hal yang lain, misalnya kayak flying car atau spaceship atau kegiatan yang lain. Misalnya akan kasih kalian informasi nantinya. Oke, thank you so much ya Niko. Niko, makasih banyak. Gambar yang rajin.
Bye.
Ares juga sama Vio, coba flip anim kalau mau coba animasi basic nggak apa-apa, boleh pakai flip anim. Untuk Ruth, enjoy your food. Bye, Ruth.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Ares. Thank you so much. See you again on Friday. Bye, everyone.